Well, hello everyone. This is Donna. I received a love mail from Marna today, and I'm going to open it up and I'm going to see what's in it. And I thought I would bring you along. Oh, as long as I don't cut my hand anymore. I just sliced my hand open. Right there is the flap of skin. Oh well. Okay, let's see if I can get it open. Ooh, lots of bubble tape in here. Or bubble. Ooh, I have 2 stands for Maya's. Cool. I am going to have to get my husband to get me some things when they come out. I really love these, Marna. They are nice. They are really, really nice. Is this a different kind of resin that you're using this time? I don't know. They're really nice. I like them. And, oh my goodness. Shoes, and more shoes. These are... Oh, let me get them over here. They're kind of a clear, but not really. They're not, they're, I guess, opaque. They're really cool. I'm going to clean these up a little bit, but I'm excited for these because we all know I love my shoes. And the colors, let's see. We have a brown pair, an orange pair, and this is kind of, it's a nice orange, big blue orange. Let's see. We got this red pair. I like it. Looks kind of sparkly. And this red pair. And another one. And a pink pair. And a white pair. And a blue pair. And some black ones. And some more black ones. Oh man, I'm going to have some fun. And some yellow ones. And some purple ones. And some green ones. And then this is definitely more of, it's got more of a luster to it, a texture. Kind of, it's very sparkly. I think I've seen some of the spools of this online. It's so pretty. I don't know if it's actually picking up in there the way it is. It's got a sparkle into it. It's like it's got glitter or something in there. It's really, really pretty. Let's see. And then I am assuming that these are for my Blythe. Let me get her for a second. Hold on. Poor girl. She doesn't see much love in here. But let's see if I can. Oh, yeah. Blythe shoes. Lots of Blythe shoes. Thank you, Marna. Thank you, Deron, for printing all of these. Those are absolutely wonderful. Oh, let me pick it up. Thank you. And then a couple of patterns. Wow, a lot of patterns. I wonder what the patterns are for. Let's see. There's this simplicity one, which is really, really cute. And this simplicity one, which is really cute. And some pajamas and a nightgown. I wonder if the little bunny slippers are in there too. It doesn't look like it. And here is a Barbie pattern. And another 18-inch girl pattern. And there was a thing in there. It says, "Hi, Donna. Hope you like your stuff. I hope you have fun with the shoe soles for my 24-inch My Rain dolls. I'll need the wooden dowel stands at 7/16. Thank you for letting me know the size." So I can take the body hook part with me to the stores to get it right. She gets them at Walmart. I'll probably get one there the next time I go. I'm still under the weather, so I'm not going to be going out anytime soon. So anyway, Marna, I love these, and I'll get some shoes made. It'll take me a while because I'm not the best at making shoes, but I will get some shoes made. So I just wanted to show this to everyone, and I'm wondering what the patterns are for. This might be fun. So until next time, I hope you go and you check out dollsrescued.com under the sale thing and see everything that she's got listed for sale. Those little Bly shoes and the Maya Rain shoes and the doll stands are awesome. So until next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye.